The experience of using a massive ultra-wide display is something you don't fully appreciate until you sit in front of it. This 49-inch curved dual QHD business monitor from Samsung is designed to change how a workspace feels, functions, and performs. It replaces two separate monitors with one expansive, fluid viewing surface, offering the kind of screen real estate that instantly transforms multitasking. The curve of the panel wraps gently across your field of view, creating a panoramic environment that pulls everything into focus without distortion. It's wide enough to organize multiple applications at once without losing clarity, and the dual QHD resolution delivers crisp detail across the entire width. Whether working on design projects, analyzing large sheets of data, or editing content across long timelines, the display maintains sharpness and balance from corner to corner. Colors remain vibrant and lifelike through HDR400 support. It doesn't try to compete with high-end cinematic HDR, but it provides more dynamic contrast and deeper tones than generic office screens. Everyday tasks like managing emails or browsing the web feel clean and easy on the eyes, while creative tasks get the boost they need from richer visual depth. Connectivity is one of the strongest advantages of this monitor. The USB-C port with power delivery keeps the desk setup simple by handling data, video, and charging all through one cable. This is especially useful for laptop users who want a clean, plug-and-go workstation. Additional ports like DisplayPort and HDMI make the screen compatible with desktops, gaming consoles, and any device that benefits from a wide, fluid display. The built-in speakers offer reliable audio for casual use, meetings, and productivity. They're clear enough for everyday tasks, reducing the need for external speakers in many setups. The ergonomic stand adds height and tilt adjustments so the monitor can be positioned comfortably for long hours, minimizing strain and fatigue. Eye comfort features like low blue light and reduced flicker help maintain focus during extended sessions. A major upgrade comes from the 120 Hz refresh rate. It adds smoothness to every movement on the screen. Scrolling, dragging, transitioning between apps, and managing multiple windows all feel more responsive. Even without gaming, the higher refresh rate elevates the overall user experience. For those who do game on the side, the ultra-wide field of view combined with the fluidity of 120 Hz creates a level of immersion that is hard to match. This display is all about workflow transformation. Video editors get a broader canvas to work with. Coders can stack files horizontally and still have room to spare. Users who juggle communication tools, research tabs, spreadsheets, and monitoring dashboards will feel the efficiency of having everything visible at once. Instead of switching between windows, the workspace becomes open and intuitive. The design maintains a modern and polished look with thin bezels that make the content stand out. The stand supports stable positioning, and the overall build feels premium and durable. Cable management keeps the desk tidy, and the on-screen controls are simple to navigate when adjusting settings like brightness or input source. Everything about this monitor is crafted to support a smooth and productive environment. The wide aspect ratio, the clarity of dual QHD, the convenience of USB-C, and the comfort features all combine to make it more than just a screen. It's a workspace enhancer that helps you work smarter and faster. Anyone looking to push their setup to new levels of efficiency will find this display more than capable of delivering a noticeable upgrade. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this Samsung 49-inch business curved ultra-wide dual QHD monitor with USB-C, HDMI, DisplayPort, HDR400, built-in speakers, and adjustable stand, then please visit the link provided in the description.